Hello from the Trigas laboratories. Here we not only provide very accurate calibrations, but also build high-quality test rigs. And today I would like to show you the test rigs that we build for aviation customers.
Trigas is building accredited calibrators and test benches since many years. Based on sonic nozzles, these test benches provide an easy testing of turbine blades for power generation and aviation. Our new software guarantees an easy and user-friendly handling. And with Trigas you will have, of course, also a professional technical training and a worldwide yearly service of your equipment.
Contact us today to talk about your project.